Hello mga maring! Kamusta kayong lahat? Alas 11 na dito ng gabi mga maring. At busy kami ngayon ni Sir sa dinala niyang camera. So itong camera na to, matagal ko na talagang gusto mga maring. At pag-iipunan ko sana para mabili ko. Pero binili na ng asawa ko. Binili na ni Sir. Kaya naman ay nagulat talaga ako mga maring. Ayan, ang dami niyang binili. Ang dami niyang mga accessories na binili kasama yung camera. Kaya ang saya-saya ko ngayon mga maring. Ayan, busy na siya sa pag-unbox ng mas excited pa siya kasi sa akin na open ng mga box. Ayan, busy si Sir. Kaya nagpapasalamat talaga ako dahil kahit na yung asawa ko ay ayaw niyang makita sa camera, pero minsan nabibidyohan ko siya kagaya ngayon kapag depende sa mood niya. Pero napaka-supportive niya behind the scene. Char. So ayan, binilhan niya ako ng camera. So lahat ng camera na ginagamit ko maring ay siya yung bumili. Ang ganda ng camera na ito para naman akong ang daming followers. Oh, it extends. Oh. Well, that's good. Because the one I had before this is short. Oh, we can use that in the water tomorrow.
This one here.
Wow, that's really long.
So if you want to hey.
That's just too much. People around you like, what in the hell?
Got a mile up.
A mile away.
So that one. And I didn't get.
It's a camera, girl.
I didn't get anything that was bootleg, except like your screen protectors and stuff.
Yay!
Everything is DJI. Well,
Thank you, babe.
DJI.
Oh, I got two
That's
extension rods.
yeah, that's different. Because we gotta put all the stuff where it needs to go.
Hindi niya alam na hindi pa ako monetize sa YouTube sa mga pinopost ko. Pero okay lang. So ayan, meron akong camera mga maring. Pero mahilig talaga kasi akong mag-video mga maring. Kaya kahit na hindi pa ako monetize or konti lang yung followers ko, masaya akong ginagawa ito. At saka kahit konting followers or konting tao lang nag-comment, sila yung nagpapa-inspire na magpatuloy ako sa ginagawa ko. Kasi ini-enjoy ko siya mga maring. Talagang siya, stress reliever siya sa akin. Yung isipin mo kung may 40 views ka, tapos in real life, 40 katao yung nanonood sa'yo. So, ang dami na yun. At kung may 1,000 followers ka, kung sa totoong buhay yan, 1,000 katao yung sunod ng sunod sa'yo. Diba, ang dami na yun mga maring. Wow, it's so tiny. It's tinier than GoPro. Wow, I'm surprised. Because in the picture, it looks so big, but it's really small. Wow. It has front view, front display, and the back display. Wow, so pwede ka mag-selfie camera. Wow, it's really small. It's smaller than the GoPro. So nice.
Here.
What is that?
These are your
Oh, the
attachments.
case.
Yeah. So that goes, these are just your attachments. I'm going to set them in here,
Case
okay?
here. That's what it is that made it look big. It's the case.
Yeah. So, here, hold on.
Protector, screen protector. And what is this?
Hold on a minute. Hold on.
Bubble free. Oh, LCD screen. At saka meron ding mic mga maring. Ayan, maganda siya na mic kasi mini, maliliit siya, tapos dalawa. So, ito yung bagong mic ko. Kahit hindi ko naman ginagamit. Pag nagwe-video ako, hindi ako gumagamit ng mic. And this. Accessory. Oh, this is another tripod with,
Yeah.
wow, that's a lot.
All right, let's get...
And I also have this.
No, that's mine. I just brought that
Oh.
to clean this off so you can.
And
put
this
your
is a
phone.
waterproof case. That's
Yeah.
nice.
That's the only one that's.
I
not,
like it.
That's not DJI, but
It's
you
okay.
can put that in your luggage and
Yeah, and put everything there.
yeah. Here, these here go over your eyepiece to protect it.
You have to try
So-
to get the score or you'll get blocked by that. The score is there. Okay.
We'll put the
So
case.
that's over your eyepiece. Here's your wipe. And
At syempre masaya ako na may mga taong kahit konti lang yung followers ko, kahit hindi naman ako sikat, ay may mga loyal na followers ako na nagko-comment, lagi talagang nagko-comment sa videos ko. So, nai-inspire ako mga maring. So, maraming salamat sa inyo dahil mas nai-inspire ako na mag-post dito sa YouTube. It's perfectly in.
your case. Like, you already put all your stickers on there?
Oh, I still need to put the back
But
side.
like if you just wanted to carry this, then it would just go in here.
Oh, that's really small.
Yeah.
I like it. It's tiny. I didn't expect it to be that small.
So you still gotta put the back on.
Yeah.
And remember, this one here goes to protect your lens.
Oh, that's nice. It has protect. It's so many accessories.
Huh?
It comes with a lot of accessories.
Well, I had to go and
Nice.
search all these accessories.
Oh,
Make coffee now.
I'm gonna
Okay,
make coffee,
you have to
girl.
take-
Hold
yeah,
on.
Look, you have to take that bumper ring off. And
Nice.
all right, so you already done this one?
Yeah, only the back.
Okay, well go ahead and do the back, and then we'll open the rest of the stuff.
Sobrang cute niya mga maring. Grabe oh. Tingnan niyo. Yung kamay ko. Oh. Ganyan lang siya kalaki.
And here's your shot case.
And the memory card. 1 terabyte. Wow, you got me a really big memory.
Yeah, it was $100.
This?
Yeah,
Oh my
but I
god.
figure you won't have to record, download, erase, record, download, erase.
Yeah, 'cause that's what I do when I record. I delete it because the memory is full.
Well, that's 1 terabyte. It'll take you a minute.
Wow. Thank you so much. So, meron ako maring 1 terabyte na memory card.
So here,
At ang dami niyang binili na mga rod, mga stick. So, ito na, tatlo. Tatlo yung binili niya mga maring. Meron pa isa dito. Ito yung isa na umi-extend ang napakataas. Tapos, ito namang isa ay mini extension rod. So, hindi ko alam kung anong difference ng dalawa sa difference.
No.
Ah, so ito siya. Para siyang may extend pa rin.
Yeah.
Pero hanggang dito lang. Yung isa ay napakataas. At meron siyang tripod. Ah, so para siyang tripod. Pero itong isa, wala siyang wala siyang paa. Ganito lang siya na stick. We don't move the cover, Abi. Tapos napakataas. Sobrang taas niya. Hanggang dito yung taas niya. So, yun ang difference. Ganda maring. At ito namang isa ay another rod siya na may kasamang waterproof case. Although itong DJI Action 5 ay waterproof siya hanggang 20 meters deep. That's waterproof, babe, right?
huh?
That DJI Action 5, I think it's waterproof. 20 meters deep.
All right, so there you go. It's in there. Remember, it's got the numbers got to face the battery.
Okay.
So remember when you put it in. It was-
So, even though mga maring na waterproof itong Action 5, ay bumili pa rin si Sir ng pang-cover niya para sure na sure daw. Wow, ang ganda. Sobrang ganda mga maring. So, ito pala yung para sa ano niya kapag mag-swimming. I think this rod floats. Kasi intended siya para dito sa
Oh,
waterproof
that's
caves.
underwater.
Yeah, so this one floats.
Yeah.
Oh, kaya pala. So, yan yung difference. So, may maliit, may mataas at maliit na ano, tripod. At ito siya. Ang ganda! We can use this tomorrow when we go swimming outside. Yeah. I'm gonna use this. Oh, I love this case because it comes off so quick than the GoPro case where you really have to insert. Oh, this one opens so easily.
Yeah, you
But I don't know how it will come off.
right. Look, just take it. And once you just take it like it, hold it like this right here, and then just push that.
Ah,
In the same way, hold it like that, and push it back in.
okay. Wow, try natin to. Madali rin siyang i-open mo rin. Open mo siya sa top.
Here, on this.
Ganyan. Open natin siya. Open natin.
Okay.
Oh, it magnets.
Yeah, but look, you can't connect it, right? Look, but turn it over and then do it. Connects right to the spot. And then you're locked in. And all you gotta do is just hit your little tabs there to release.
Yeah, so you don't have to use the screws.
Yeah.
Yeah, a lot of screws.
So.
Set up na natin siya. English.
Oh, it's touchscreen. There you go.
Oh, it is touchscreen. So many. Skip 5 times remaining. Device name. Osmo action.
I guess you.
So, mag-register tayo sa Mimo. No, ang cute ng mga ano maring oh. What do you call this one? So cute.
It's the wind guard.
Wind muff. Ito yung sa microphone, Mama Ring. Grabe, ang liit niya. Ang cute tignan. And then another bag for other case. Ayan.
There we go.
Hello! Ang liit na microphone.
So now.
Hi, Lily girl.
Hi.
What are you doing, Lily girl?
We're going to sleep.
You're going to sleep. Hi, Lily girl.
Hi.
What are you doing, Lily girl?
We're going to sleep.
You're going to sleep. Can you hear me? Hey, you don't shout there because you don't need to lift it up. It will adjust itself. Hi, Lily girl.
Hi.
What are you doing, Lily girl?
We're going to sleep.
You're going to sleep.